If you think about an engineering leader being a general contractor, they have a lot of subcontractors they have to manage. Now, some of those subcontractors, they might have worked with 5 times before, and they know they don't need details, they don't need anything, they know that person. But there could be other subcontractors that they haven't worked with before, right? So I think what's important in that orchestration role is to basically ask the right questions and know, the experience the person has, and then help them manage the risks. So let's say you have a subcontractor who's coming in and they're working on a bathroom, and suddenly they need to put a steam shower in, and they've never done that before. They don't know how to waterproof it. The plumbers have to do stuff in between, and they say they've got it, but they haven't done it before, and you're not sure, and you're seeing early signs. You need to jump in and ask questions and understand, have you really thought about it? Have you thought about this? Have you thought about that? And I think good general contractors know when they have to get involved with their subcontractors. And that's very much the role of an engineering leader as well.
The head of engineering presumably has a lot of experience and can recognize tendencies of the engineering teams and individual developers that may become problematic down the line. Like, oh, I need to clean all this stuff up, or oh, I got to do this in the perfect way. In software, there's always different pieces and components of the system that need to be built. Sometimes there are blockers, and system A, that's going to take a little bit, or we hit this thing and it's going to be longer than we thought. System B and C are good to go. We can get an early start on system D, and someone needs to be at a level high enough to kind of see all of that stuff happening and can kind of direct, the teams working on each thing or the individuals working on each thing. Don't worry about this for now. There's a BAA agreement that needs to be sorted out. Like, there's something going on in the trees over here with the business area of the company. You do this for a little while so we don't waste your time, and then we'll come back to this. Or, hey, that thing you've been thinking about that bugs you every time you look in the code? Fix that now, because there's 2 days where we're going to be sitting twiddling our thumbs, not enough time to get into something big, just enough time to fix that thing that you don't like. So that's another thing that the head of engineering can really do to keep throughput high on the engineering productivity standpoint.